Okay. Hey again, Stan. That was so easy. I was like, I'm just going to knock out another one of these. I'm going to show you how to use ScreenCast. How about that? Since I kind of touched on it last video. Now you're going to see. So it's a Chrome extension, just like Vidyard. You click it's embedded in your tool browser. So you click it, and it takes a little bit of time to load. I also am interested to see what it does. So you and I will see, because I'm going to start recording and casting of the very thing that we're doing now. So I'm going to double it up, see if it breaks the system. So you can choose your browser, your tab, which is always infuriating. I rarely do this for any kind of recording because as soon as I want to click off, I always want to click off the tab, and then no one can see what I'm doing. I like desktop, and I used to send videos to my staff with webcam only, and then I was watching them I think a year ago, and I went, "This is boring." So they got to see me do something. So we're gonna do that, and then just like Vidyard, you hit record. And again, in my last video, I mentioned 5-minute time limit. So upgrade, I bet it's $19.99 a month. I don't know though. Oh look, okay, so now we have another. We're gonna have another screen over there. Awesome. And we're gonna, just like Vidyard, it asks you to choose what screen you'd like to look at. So we're gonna look at our screen, and I feel like my computer's gonna break, but cool. Okay, so now we're double recording. Awesome. Down here in the corner, it lets you do certain things, so you can create and draw on your screen. So I don't know if that's a Vidyard thing. I haven't played with it enough. Maybe this is the difference that. So with my staff, if I have something important to look at, I'll be like, "Look at this, it's great," and I'll draw an arrow. Then you can erase. So if you don't want to accentuate, and then this messes with the webcam, and you can stop, or you can hide your tools, or you can stop. And I haven't ever played with that one. So that's odd because I use it a lot. So anyway, that was ScreenCast. And now we're going to stop the ScreenCast and see. I bet the other one keeps going. End recording. Okay. We're good there. Okay. It ended there. Screen and webcam, Vidyard is sharing your screen. Okay. Now we're going to stop Vidyard. And I was really confused because you see all the different things here. Yeah, it's messing with me. All right, but it didn't break my computer. Gosh, it's just crazy. If I had to go back to like the 1300s and I had to prove how a computer works, I'd be hosed. There's no way. I'd explain it's some magical tool, and there's no way I could create what this is doing. Anyway, especially looking at it from the standpoint of somebody who just learned HTML, and it can have two videos at the same time and doing the same thing. I don't know, hurting my brain. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me while we learned about ScreenCast.